Guys, just a few moments back, a subscriber of mine told me that he had full SIM network. However, he is not getting any internet or is not able to make calls. So, just doing the following things. So, inform your device. I will advise that, like in case it's a Samsung, the SIM tray is here, but you may be having any other device. Just remove the SIM, and with the SIM out from the device, I will ask you to go ahead and restart the phone. So, let this happen. Just pause. The device has restarted. We'll just unlock the screen pattern. Okay, and let the phone start. Please do note that the SIM tray is outside the device. I actually go towards the settings. Inside settings, I go and search for SIM Toolkit, and that should be in apps. So first we go to apps. Okay, let me just go it from here. Inside apps, I search for SIM Toolkit. Inside SIM Toolkit, what I need to do is first click on force stop, and then like I go to storage. Sorry, I you can see there's some data, some cache. What I want is like basically erase all data. Don't worry, it will not erase your contacts or something. You can be very safe with this. You can clear data, and obviously it clears the cache as well. And then also like go to permissions, and here allow for all permissions. So allow everything, click on each of the options and click on OK. Now, once you do this is step one. What I will also request you to do is like go to your settings, and then depending on the Android version, I want you to first track down reset. Inside reset, I don't want you to do a factory reset. I want you to reset the network settings. Click on network settings and just go ahead, proceed with the on-screen instructions, and the network settings have been reset. So far so good. Now what I request you to do is just restart the phone, but this time when you do this, actually put the SIM tray back to the phone. So this goes, and just blow some air and be careful that you are putting the SIM in the proper slot which supports the cellular network or something like that. So now the phone is starting. Let it start, and then you can swipe to unlock, and that's it. And now when you go ahead and try surfing the internet, you will see like you should be able to kind of see net and everything. There you go. But just I just want to advise one more thing. Like it's quite possible that for some of you, you may be using a roaming connection. That's like you are using the SIM in a different circle than where the SIM was actually bought. I bought the SIM in Bombay and I'm using it now in Hyderabad. So what we need to do is we need to go to mobile networks here and like click on roaming on. Otherwise, even if we see the full network, we won't be used to able the data or the internet or make calling for that matter. So it needs to be like in roaming. So at least the data, I mean calls can still be made in roaming, but the data needs to be there in roaming. And just to be doubly safe, what you can always do is you can still like even after doing all this, again go and do a fresh resetting of network, and like just proceed with this, and there you go. So if all of this is done and I believe your problem is solved, I guess well done. But just let us know, I mean, if all this works. I have seen some people like who have turned off the sim by default. So inside the sim this may be turned off by default. So I hope that's never the case with you. So like this should always be turned on. I mean, well, that was never a problem because if you are seeing the full network, the sim is not turned off. But just try doing this, remove the sim, just go ahead and like erase the data from the sim toolkit, and then like do a reset of like the network settings. Then restart the phone with the sim inside, and then turn the roaming data on and check whether things work, and let me know in the comment section whether this works. If it doesn't, maybe we'll try and do something else. So thank you so much, guys. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Please put down your comments so that we come to know more of your issues and try and solve them.